Hi guys, you're welcome to this edition of Excel Tips. Today I'll show you how to add pictures to comments in Excel. Take a quick look at the staff list. The goal is to add comments to the status of employees that are not active. There are two of them here. One is on parental and one is inactive. Let's dive right in. Right mouse click on parental. Let me mention here that if you are using Microsoft Office 2019 or earlier versions, you would have a different list of options from this. For Office 365 users, you're going to use New Note, which works the same way as Insert Comment in Microsoft 2019 and earlier versions. Let's go right back into the data. Right mouse click on Parental, New Note. So this lady is on maternity leave. But this is not what I want to show you. Right mouse click on the edge of the box, format comment, under colors and lines, click on color and fill effect. Under fill effect, go to the picture tab and select picture. There are different options. However, I'll just select a picture from my computer. Let's go with the baby. Insert. Okay. You can also change the color of the border. Let's give it a green. You can change the font, the alignment, you have a lot of options here. I'll click OK now and I'll expand this. Once you over on the cell, it comes up. How cool is that? You can right mouse click to show or hide the note. Let's hide it. Okay, let's work on the inactive employee together. Right mouse click on inactive, new note. I'll just expand this right away. Right mouse click on the edge, format comment, colors and lines, color, fill effect, picture, select picture. Again, I'll pick one from my computer, the mask, insert, okay. I'll leave the line color as is and I'll click OK. There you have it. But I want to insert a comment here. So I just click right in the box and type time off due to COVID. And that's it. If you over on it, it comes up. We can right mouse click to show or right mouse click to hide. How cool is this, guys? Please subscribe, share the video, and hit the like button.